Hello everyone! Today, in this video, I will show you how to add funds through Binance. First of all, open the website. Click on the three-line menu in the top corner. Now tap on Add Funds and scroll down a little. Click on the drop-down menu and select Binance. Scroll down and enter the amount you want to add to your Smmyfit wallet. For example, I am selecting $1 for testing purposes. You can enter any amount you want. Now check the Terms and Conditions box and click on the Pay button. You will be redirected to the payment page. Here, copy the Binance Pay ID. Now, go back and open your Binance app. Tap on the Pay button. Select Send to Binance User. Paste the same Binance Pay ID that you copied from the website. Then click Continue. Now, enter the exact same amount that you entered on the website. Tap on Continue and then press Confirm. You will be asked to complete security verification, such as your passcode or face verification. Complete the verification to proceed. After successful payment, you will see a confirmation screen. From here, copy the order ID. Now, go back to the website and click on Confirm Payment. Paste the order ID in the required field and click on Verify Payment. After that, you will see a success message, or you can check your transaction in the History section. That's it. Congratulations! Your funds have been successfully added.